Good Wednesday afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. Seeing just a couple of slivers of blue sky here in Fargo, looking out to the south, and temperatures warming up a bit. Here in Fargo, 74 degrees, light breeze out of the north at 7 miles per hour. Not much for our heat index. It is 74, feels like 74. Across the river in Moorhead, 72. In Grand Forks, still holding on to mostly cloudy skies, 66 degrees, north breeze at 5 miles per hour. We're at 70 up north in Hallock, 66 in Roseau and Langdon, 68 Devils Lake and Jamestown, 75 in Fergus Falls and in Alexandria as well. So some warmth starting to build in the Southern Valley as expected. Dew points also starting to climb a bit at 73 in Fergus Falls, 70 Detroit Lakes, 72 in Oak. So becoming a bit more muggy as well. Not too much in terms of our heat index. Temperatures are in the 60s and 70s, and that's what it's feeling like outside. So not too oppressively hot, although we do have a heat advisory in place for the far southern valley for this afternoon. Temperatures are expected to warm into the mid and upper 80s with more sunshine south. Across the northern valley, again, a little cooler, generally in the 70s, with a few more clouds still hanging around. In parts of the Southern Valley, as moisture increases and temperatures rise, we could see those heat index values, those feels like temperatures, into the 90s. Later tonight, we do have now a level 2 out of 5 risk of severe from the Storm Prediction Center for the Devils Lake Basin. Northern Valley, a level 1 out of 5 risk. Now, this is pretty conditional. Let me show you what you mean, or what I mean rather. Most of the cloud cover lingers into the late afternoon, early evening. That gives the atmosphere not a lot of time to become unstable. If we're able to destabilize a little sooner, storms have a better chance of developing through parts of northeastern North Dakota tonight. Fog redevelops overnight tonight, clearing out by lunchtime again tomorrow, and kind of a rinse and repeat. Tomorrow, another chance for some showers and storms to move in for the evening and later part of the night. Again, mention this is a conditional threat for today. It's highly dependent on the cloud deck clearing. We've had most of that fog now clear. Now we're waiting for the cloud cover. If clouds linger late into the afternoon, our risk for severe is greatly reduced. So we'll be watching it quite closely. Looking ahead to the next couple of days, still warm tomorrow as well. Temperatures in the 80s, cooling into the weekend. 75 on Saturday. Warming up again next week, back into the mid and upper 80s.
And not a 90 in sight. That's kind of a nice thing. If you don't like the hot temperatures, the high 89, we'll take that. But
close enough, right?
It's still beautiful outside.
Yeah.
Summer, thank you so much.